So we got a problema. That rope stuck in the tree, and we're trying to get this rope, so like the pilot rope, so we can get the second rope we got. We're gonna get that rope down with the tree trimmers. Yeah, that's why we got the tree trimmers. Anyways, yeah, that's what's gonna happen.
Alright, let's try this again.
Okay, we'll just keep the same video, and I'll just zoom in out. Whoa. You're so close. Now. Yeah. And the rope didn't even go over. Oh, actually, I don't think I'm allowed to stand on this.
No. Well, not when you're swinging. It's a good swing.